In this crisis communications workshop, we look at how crises are a result of many kind of circumstances, because we believe that it's not just one event often that leads to a crisis, it's a combination of events, what we often call leading to a perfect storm, where people are in the middle of this tremendous crisis situation, and they have to relate to so many different issues at the same time. And we look at current events, and it's very useful to look at, for instance, this year we looked at the Boeing, we looked at the yellow jackets in France, and students have a very good grasp of what those issues are, but what they need is a little bit of skills in how to respond. So we give a practical exercise where people can first of all learn how to develop messages. Secondly, then how to respond to media events and questions, and then finally how to work together in a team dealing with a crisis. It's amazing to see how fascinated people are working together on scenarios.
The class is so about communication, how to react to this, and how also this involves different stakeholders. And this class is particularly interesting because the teacher makes it kind of interactive. So we have group work, we also have some theoretical framework that we're going to learn. And then at the end we also have a simulation of a press conference where you have to understand what the crisis is about, how do you have to communicate to different stakeholders. So it's a really interesting workshop, it's really interactive, and I can highly recommend it to other students. It's awesome.